reception, it's Miss Livet in my kitchen, and this is your first virtual school maths lesson. So this is for Monday the 23rd of March. Now you might recognise, especially somebody who's come to join us. Now when he heard that we were all going to be working from home, Fred said to me, Miss Livet, I've got to come with you, and you know I don't want to be at school on my own. So I said, okay, well fine. I said, I'm not actually doing phonics, it's going to be Mr. Paul that's teaching phonics. And he said, you know what, I'm a really good counter. So I said, okay, will you come along then, Fred? He said he's very good at maths. So Fred is going to sit here and he's going to watch you, okay, and hopefully he'll be able to join in sometimes too, because he says he knows some pretty good maths songs that he'll be able to sing along with us. Now, the first thing is that, as you know, reception, when we teach maths at school, me and Mr. Paul usually have a book that we're following along with, but that is currently winging its way to me from school via Mr. Huxley, and haven't got it yet. So I might have to just look at my phone a few times, so you'll have to excuse me for that, but it will only be for this week's lesson. Okay, here we go. So the first thing, all you're going to need for this, you can follow along with a piece of paper and a pen, but all you're going to need are your eyes and your ears. So I need you to switch your listening ears on, make sure you're looking really carefully at your computers or your tablets, whatever you're using. Put your thinking caps on, tie them at the front, tie them at the back, and we're going to warm our maths brains up with a little bit of a starter. Fred says that he loves this one. You're going to count my claps. So I need you to close your eyes, no cheating, close those eyes nice and tight, and count how many claps. Ready? Close your eyes. Nice easy one to get you started. Show me on your fingers how many was that? 5! Superstars. Okay, next one, I'm going to make it a bit harder now. Oh, how many was that? Show me on your fingers. Ready? Yep, 7. 5 and 2 makes 7. Well done, superstar. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready? Well done. How many was that? 9. Well done, super. Show me 9 another way. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, now we're nice. We're ready to go. Now, last week when I was poorly, you learnt that which number comes after 39. Do you remember which number that was? Yeah, well done. It was the number 40. 40 is made up of 2 digits, the 4 and the 0, number 40. Well done, that's super. So what number comes after 39? 40. Well done, absolutely 40. Now, we're going to practice counting to 40. Let's start with 35. So, I'll go first. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Well done, now your turn. Get 35 going. Brilliant, well done, super. Okay, now we're going to go on a little bit past 40. So let's get 40 going. My turn, and I'm going to count to 45. Okay, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Your turn. 40, 40. Brilliant. Okay, now I'm going to get 38 going and count to 41. My turn. 38, 39, 40, 41. Your turn. Super, you're so good at this, well done. Let's get 38 going and see if we can count to 45. Let's do it together, ready? 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Did you get it right? Well done. There's some tricky numbers that we're learning there, so that's fantastic. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to rub this number out. is where Fred comes in handy. Sorry, Fred. And then I'm going to write some numbers on the board, and you can read them out as I write them. Okay, ready? So I've got the number 9, the number 6, the number 8, the number 5, and the number 4. Now, I'm going to turn these numbers into teen numbers. How will I turn them into teen numbers? Yeah, that's it. Well remembered. I need to add a 1 to the front of them. So, is that right? No, silliness of it. It's not 91, it's 19. So, if I put the 1 there, what number is that now? 19. Super, well done. Okay, if I put the 1 there, what number is that now? 16. Yes, you're right, absolutely. And I'm going to put the 1 here. What number is that now? 18. Super. Okay, and this one? 15. Well done. And this one? 14. Absolutely. Super. Well done. Thank you so much for helping me with that. Right. Okay. What have we got next? Now. Okay. I'm going to rub this out. Now, I am going to say a number, and you are going to tell me the next number. Okay? So get ready for you to be listening. I'll say the number and you tell me the next number. Listen. 16. What number? 16. Well done. Next number? 17. Super. Listen. 3. What number? 3. Well done. Next number? 4. Super. Well done. Listen. 23. 23. Next number? 24. Super. Okay. 43. 43. Next number? 44. Well done. Okay. 9. 9. Next number? 10. Super. Listen. 12. 12. Next number? 13. Fantastic. Listen. 27. 27. Next number? 28. Super. Well done. Okay. Now, we're going to practice some of our addition and our subtraction now. Okay. So, I'm going to write something on the board, and I want you to tell me what it means. You can say along as I write. +3, +5, well done, and +2. Now when we add, when we plus, what happens to the numbers, remind me? That's right, they get bigger, we have more. Well done, fantastic. So, what does this mean? If I see this, what does it mean? That's it, absolutely. It means I make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Well done. How about this one? What does this mean? Ah, of course, I need to make 5 lines. Tell me when to stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And this means I have to make 4 lines? No, it means I make 2 lines. Ready? 1, 2. Super. Fantastic. Well done. But hang on a minute. What about if I change that symbol to look like this? What's that? That's our take away. Well done. When we take away, the numbers get smaller. Fantastic. So if I saw this, what do I have to do now? Cross out lines, of course. So I have to cross out 3 lines. this one I have to cross out 5 lines, and with this one I have to cross out 2 lines. Absolutely, super, well done. Now, here, just going to clear this off for you. I'm afraid it's being very helpful. Here, I'm going to write something down. 5, take away 3, what was that symbol? Equals, well done. 5 take away 3 equals. The number we start with is 5, and the lines for 5 are shown here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cross out lines, then we'll count the line we end up with and figure out the answer. So, 5 take away 3 equals. Do I cross out lines from here? No. Do I cross out lines from here? Yes, I always start at this end. How many lines do I need to take away? That's right, 3. Super. So I'm going to put a cross through 3 lines. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Are these the lines we end up with? No, we've crossed those out, so we forget about those. It's these lines. And how many lines? I'm sure you can just see straight away. You don't need to count, do you? How many have I got left? 2, that's right. 2. 5 take away 2. Sorry, so it's going back. 5 take away 3 equals 2. Fantastic. Well done, Gardry and Little Laura. Okay, so that is your Monday lesson. Well done. Good listening. Excellent. Now, I am going to just quickly grab your workbooks that you've been sent home with. Now, what I'd like you to do today as your follow-up activity is I would like you to open your counting book, and I would like you to turn to page 4, and I'd like you to do page 4. Count and colour the toys and draw 2 ears on each animal. Now, I know this might feel maybe a little bit simple for some of you, but I think that you can challenge yourself. So for example, try and make your colouring really super neat. So practice your fine motor, practice the strength in your hands and the coordination of your pencil. Perhaps you can practice your number formation. So you can practice writing the number 1, the number 2, the number 3. And here you can practice writing the number 2. So try and make it a bit more of a challenge. And then the second thing is that you can do as a challenge, I'm going to give you some trickier number problems here, okay, that you can solve at home on a piece of paper. So you can freeze the screen, press pause so you can read them, and then if you can manage to solve them, it'd be really good if you could take a photo, get mummy or daddy or whoever's doing this with you to take a photo and email it to the reception.charlesdickens@gmail.com email, and then maybe put maths in the subject line so I know what your email's relating to, and then I can have a look at your work. So I'm going to give you some number problems that you can solve. Now you know whether you've got to make lines or whether you've got to, you know that if you see a plus you've got to make lines, and if you see a take away you've got to take lines away. So here's your first challenge, okay? So I'm going to say let's do, okay, 8 plus 2 equals, you can try and figure out the answer. Let's do 6 take away 4 equals, let's do 2 plus 5 equals, and then 12 take away 3 equals. So remember, if it's plus, you have to add lines, and if it's a take away, you're crossing out lines. So I will put the answers to these problems in Tuesday's lesson so you can see whether you were right. And if you do want to take a photo and send me your answers, make sure you put your name on the piece of paper so I can see you've done them. That would be great. Okay, well done reception, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.